Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the C Squad. Over here we do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and vlogs, and it's a really fun time. So if you want to stay, hit that subscribe button below and join the fam. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again on C Squad Sundays. So this week, I'm sure as you gathered by the title, I'll be showing you guys me getting my wisdom teeth removed in South Africa. Now, originally I wasn't going to post this video, but I came across some footage on my phone a few weeks ago and I thought like it was so hilarious. Like the way that I was talking, like I was so out of it. And also like the way my mom was talking to me, like she was like, "Oh, are you okay, honey? Like, are you okay, darling?" And like she never speaks to me like that, like ever. So I just found it super funny. I hope you guys find it funny too. There will be some information at the end about just the healing process and all that fun stuff. So if you want some tips and advice on the wisdom teeth process, then keep watching the video, and good luck to any of you guys getting your wisdom teeth pulled out. Hey guys, so I'm getting my wisdom teeth removed today. I have checked into the hospital, got in my room, done my forms, and I'm changing out of my cute little outfit into some scrubs and stuff. So I'm all dressed up. I had to take out my earrings, so my ears are bare. I had to take off my nail polish. It's not a good day. But yeah, and I'm wearing a whole hairnet. And so here's my whole outfit.
So in this particular moment, Cheryl has just taken a relaxing tablet. It's underneath her tongue, okay? The doctor has explained everything and she's almost ready to go. How are you feeling, Cheryl?
Relaxed.
Breaking the wall. Erstmal quem kwam ook cycler berro. We nou in University she was already situated, just had an way in, but she was still very deep.
What was you dreaming about? I don't remember.
After a while, she's fine.
I don't know.
Sense like me.
Okay. You said you need?
The ice packs.
Okay. But how are you feeling?
I feel fine.
So update time, as you can see I'm back home. It is 8:30 and I'm feeling surprisingly good. I'm still really numb because they put local anesthesia in my mouth, so I'm really numb on my bottom lip and my chin. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner because I'm only allowed to eat soft foods and I'm not allowed to eat hot foods for the next 24 hours. So I've changed into my pajamas and gotten dinner. Tonight I'm having mashed potato and soup. Like, so exciting, you guys. Like the most exciting thing ever. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna sit here, watch How I Met Your Mother, and then I have a whole bunch of meds that I have to take later, so yeah. So I just finished dinner, which wasn't too painful, and I'm gonna have my medication. So I have this one. It's called Cataflam, and that gets dissolved in water, so it is in the process of being dissolved. So I'm going to drink that, and then I'm going to take my actual painkillers, which for some reason are just like plain orange on the outside and don't actually have a name, but yeah. And then I'll probably just take a sleeping pill that my doctor gave me, and then I will catch up with you guys tomorrow with an update on how I'm feeling. So it's the next morning. I just woke up. I'm not in too much pain. I'm just gonna go and get my ice packs because I'm supposed to put ice on my face every hour for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna try and figure out what I'm gonna eat because I can't take my medication until I eat. So I put the ice pack on my face, and I think the swelling is starting to go down. It helped a lot. Now I'm gonna have a cottage pie for breakfast, and yeah, then I can take my medicine. Hey guys, so update on everything. It's been 3 days since I got my wisdom teeth removed, and I think I was being like such a maverick and like acting as if everything was okay, and I kind of wasn't really sticking. Like, I ate the soft foods and stuff for like a day and a half, and then I like went and got a burger. I couldn't handle it, and so I'm in some pain. It's not terrible, it's really not that bad, but yeah, I'm just kind of like sitting my ice pack, and that's really like my best friend right now. So yeah, I mean, my advice, maybe stick to like the soft foods for like 3 days. Yeah, because I think it will help the healing process and everything. But if you're gonna be like me, just be prepared that you're probably gonna like cause some pain to yourself, but it's not gonna be like that bad. Like, I'm not dying, but my mouth is a little bit sore, like over here and here. Okay guys, good for you. You made it to this part of the video. Now getting into the tips and tricks on dealing with your wisdom teeth removal. So the first thing would be, it's not as bad as you think it is. I feel like I was so scared to get my wisdom teeth pulled out because like everybody really made it sound like it was the worst pain of your life, like it was gonna be so horrible, and like it was bad. It wasn't like I was having a swell time, but to be honest, if you just take your painkillers and you use the ice packs are your friend, you guys. It's really not that bad, like it's survivable. The next thing I would say is avoid hot or spicy food. That's just, you know, self-explanatory. And then stick to like soft foods for a few days, like mushy peas and mashed potatoes. Obviously, I did not do that because I like food, and I was like, am I really gonna eat mashed potatoes like again? Like, no, I want a burger. So I ate a burger. Only problem with that was like it was me like stretching like my mouth, so it was a bit painful, but like no regrets. So the next thing is there might be a little bit of bruising. I had some bruising. I also had like numbness in my chin, like right about here, for a few weeks after my wisdom teeth got removed, and it was like a little bit painful, but usually just stretching it, and I used the ice pack a bit for a few days after that, so that really did help. And then the next thing is, I know I kind of said like don't eat burgers because you'll be stretching your mouth and it'll be painful. It is painful to stretch your mouth, but it really is recommended that you stretch it and you just, you know, help it so that it doesn't become stiff, because when it becomes stiff, that's really not good. So yeah, just make sure to follow all of that and you guys will be good. Thank you so much for watching the video. Good luck to any of you getting your wisdom teeth pulled out. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the C Squad, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I post every Sunday at 5 p.m. GMT. Peace, guys.